6 factors to consider when having an electrical rewire. This is basically for the UK. So when deciding whether to rewire your home, you need to consider these 6 key factors: property age, safety concerns, potential for future proofing, cost, disruption, and property value. Property age and condition. Older homes over 25 years are more likely to need rewiring due to outdated wiring standards and potential deterioration. A qualified electrician, such as ourselves, Bright Spark Electrical Services, should inspect your home's wiring for signs of damage or wear. Safety concerns. Signs of faulty wiring like flickering lights, tripping fuses, burning smells, or discoloured sockets and switches can indicate a safety hazard. Rewiring can eliminate these risks and ensure compliance with the current safety regulations. Future-proofing. Rewiring allows you to plan for future needs like installing new appliances, adding smart home technology, or preparing for an electric car charger. It also ensures your home is equipped for modern electrical demands. The cost. Rewiring costs can range from £8,500 for smaller homes, or maybe less for a small bungalow or flat, to £12,500 or more for larger properties. Factors like property size, complexity, and the quality of materials used will be influenced in the overall cost. Disruption. Rewiring involves removing old wiring and installing new components, which can be disruptive. It's essential to consider the duration of the job, potential mess, and temporary inconvenience. Property value. A fully rewired home with a modern electrical system can significantly increase its market value and appeal to potential buyers. It also ensures your home meets the current safety electrical standards, which can be a major selling point. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.